Hey dudes, want to do a quick update here. Tslot milling. So I am doing Tslot milling now. I finally got around to proofing out my program on the CNC mill. Got a couple frames cut. Got one cut for a customer. I seem happy. Customer seems happy. All is good. But these work with the Empire on-offs. So from the Empire Resurrection, the Inception on-offs. Planet Eclipse pops, and the Planet Eclipse oops. I'm not sure if there's any other Tslot on-off ASAs, but yeah, it works with all those. Secondly, Feedneck milling. So I was doing Feedneck milling on my Bridgeport, and I finally got around to proofing my program on my CNC mill. Basically, there was one tool that was hanging me up with both, and got that figured out. So we're off and running. But if you look at this, the top is Empire spec and the bottom is die. I'm going to post a video at the end of this, and it's going to show that I think it's the die one being cut. But yeah, so you'll be able to see what all the operations are and everything. For the actual milling. But everybody asked me about the Empire spec. They were like, okay, well, what kind of Feednecks can you do? Well, here you go. Numec, Empire, Inception, and this is a Scony Feedneck. He has both the lever and the non-lever. I've got some of these in stock if anybody's interested. This particular one is a blemished one, but I have those on hand if anybody wants a cheaper option for Feednecks. They just want something that works. Separately than that, from the Empire stuff, is I can also machine the die. So the die Feedneck, this is the die free flow collab Feedneck that came on the reflex guns. This has a flat here, and then it jumps down at the screw. So it does require being up a little bit, but works. We've got the program set up for that. I can also cut Planet Eclipse. Planet Eclipse has multiple ASAs or multiple Feednecks through their different guns and stuff. The preferred one is the flat bottom Feedneck, but they also have the one that has the step down with the screw at the rear, and then they have older ones which have a different diameter, and then I can also do Meteor. So if anybody wants any of those, I can do them. I normally prefer to cut the Empire spec. I cut a lot more of those, and those seem to go pretty smooth. And they are pretty much as low as you can go. So if you're comparing Feednecks, the Numec and the Empire Feedneck are pretty low. The Inception and the Numec Feednecks are pretty low, with the Scony being right there with them. Yeah, so those are Feedneck options. Just showing off that the programs are working, that I'm actually using the CNC mill, and I'm going to add a milling video to the end of this. And we're also doing T-slots. Haven't opened this up to other customers yet. I got some projects I'm trying to finish up. Hopefully have some other Bearded Works related projects that I'm working on that I can get around to. But yeah, so there's your update. Thanks, dudes.